In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get help with Squarespace. Whether you're just starting out or you've encountered a challenge, knowing how to access support can make all the difference. Let's dive into it. First things first, you'll want to open up Squarespace on your device. Make sure you've logged into your account so that you're all set to navigate the support options with ease. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at your home page. Now, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. Do you see the help icon down there? Go ahead and click on it. This little icon is your gateway to all the assistance Squarespace has to offer. Clicking on the help icon will redirect you to the Contact Us page. This is where the magic happens, and you can actually get the specific help you need with Squarespace. Now on this page, you'll see the option to click on Contact Us. Once you've done that, Squarespace will ask you the all-important question: what do you need help with? This is where you can enter your problem in detail. If you're experiencing a common issue or query, there's also a list of suggested inquiries you can choose from. Squarespace has conveniently anticipated some of the frequent concerns faced by users, so you might find an answer right there. But that's not all. Maybe you have a question that's a bit off the beaten path and doesn't quite fit into the categories listed. No worries, there's a search button located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on that to start your search. Then, type in your specific question or keywords related to your problem. What happens next is pretty neat. Squarespace will provide you with answers that could include text-based solutions or even a tutorial video. These resources are tailored to guide you step by step towards resolving your issue. So, if you're a visual learner, those tutorial videos can be incredibly helpful. By following these instructions, you're well on your way to navigating any roadblocks you encounter while using Squarespace. Their support resources are designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, ensuring you can effectively manage your questions and challenges. Remember, reaching out for help is a savvy way to enhance your experience and take full advantage of what Squarespace has to offer. We hope this guide empowers you to tackle your projects with confidence. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.